Okay, this is Lance at the MyForSons warehouse, and just for a few seconds we're going to show how to replace the rotary switch. So it's the silver switch here, and then on the inside of the base it's this part right here, it's the square. So the first thing you do is you just pull the silver handle off. Now you've got this part, and you've got 3 wires, red, blue, and black. This is the latest wiring in the M4. Don't let that be intimidating. And I'm just going to show, you need kind of a skinny screw. For the old wiring, it's just wire nuts, and you just trace these wires back to the red. In this case, the red from the rotary switch goes to the fuse. So I'm going to unscrew that and just show you the way that works. And what you do is, I'm not going to do it here, but basically just grab this and pop it off, or grab this and pull it off down to the twisted wires. And then if you don't have these, we can ship them to you. But this is a 6mm ferrule, and you just once you get the new switch and screw that together, then you just slip this over it, and you smash this down over the wires with pliers. And because you don't have a serrated tool like we do, we just say bend that end over so that it grabs the wires and prevents them from slipping out. Just screw that. You want to put that on a torque limit of 1, which I didn't do there. Okay, 3rd time's a charm. Every time I use the torque limit setting of 1, it seems to be not working. We're going to try it again. Just put the red wires back in. I'm going to screw it down. Okay, make sure that, and tug on the wire. Make sure it's tight now. Then we'll trace the blue to the blue bundle and do the same thing we did with the red. Pull that out, undo the ferrule, put the new wire in, and trim the ferrule, put it back in. And then also the black wire. So once you put all those wires back, of course, then you want to put it back in, put back into the hole, and then just turn the nut on there, push the knob on. Okay, we also wanted to show how to change out the red switch. So this is coming back here behind. On the back side, and the red switch is down here underneath the rotary switch. A little bit hard to see in there, but it's basically just a plastic ear that we have to push in with a flathead screwdriver, and one side is usually enough, so you just force that out, and then you look on the outside here where that edge has come out, and if it works out, it just pops out for you. Try and come in from that side. There it is. And of course you do the same thing as you do with the rotary. You just trace the wires, a black and a blue, to the bundle. These are wire nuts. It's a little easier. And then the way when you put the new one in, it's easiest of all. You just push it in and the ears snap it into place.